Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and we have a brand new pattern today called Holiday Manor by It's So Emma. The pattern comes in 4 sizes, and today we're featuring the Morris Holiday Collection from Moda Fabrics, and I'm going to show you how easy this block is to put together. Our first step in this block is to make flying geese units, which is super easy. You're going to take a fabric G square, and on the wrong side, draw a line from corner to corner with a friction pin. I use a friction pin because it disappears with heat later. And then you're going to put this square on the left end of a fabric C rectangle. Stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press according to your pattern, and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to add another square on the opposite corner, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press. And on this quilt, we're using color 5011, which is an aurifil color. We're using that because it's a good medium for the prints. So let's move to the next step. Now you're going to take a fabric B and fabric F square, place them right sides together, and you're going to draw a line from corner to corner. And then from there, you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch away from this center line. This is going to make, you're going to make a total of 4 light half square triangle units that finish at 3 inches. So if you wanted to cheat and do a little bit faster, you could get 3-inch finished triangle paper and use that instead of the traditional method. Now we're moving to our next step. You're going to take a fabric K square and a fabric I rectangle. On the wrong side of the fabric K square, draw a line from corner to corner again with your friction pin. You're going to place it on the right end, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press. You're going to make 2 for each block. I also wanted to mention that on this It's So Emma pattern, you want to press according to the arrows so that all your seams will nest and your block will lay nice and flat. So now we're going to take the 3 units we just made and add a fabric D square. You're going to sew these together and these together. And then you'll put all those together like that. And this is how your corner unit is going to look, and you're going to make 2 for each block. Now we're going to make large half square triangles. You're going to take a fabric A and fabric L square, put them right sides together, and draw a line from corner to corner like we did before. Stitch a 1/4 inch away from that line and press. You're going to make 2 large half square triangle units, and these finish at 6 inches. So if you wanted to use triangle paper, you would use the 6-inch finished size. You're going to make 2 for each block. Now we're going to be working on the outside of the block. You're going to take a corner unit and assemble it with a half square triangle unit, and just pay attention to the direction your half square triangle is going. You're going to assemble those, and you're going to make 2. These are your outer units. We're almost to the last step. Now we're going to be making our dark half square triangle units, and we're going to make them exactly like we made our light half square triangles, except we're using a fabric H and fabric J square. Put them right sides together, draw a line from corner to corner with a friction pin, and stitch a 1/4 inch away from that line, and you're going to get 2 dark half square triangle units that finish at 3 inches. Now we're going to put together our center Holiday Manor unit. You're going to be using 2 light half square triangle units and 2 dark half square triangle units and your last fabric D square. When you're doing this step, you just want to really make sure all of your half square triangles are going the same, the correct direction according to your pattern. Our pattern is in full color, so that's going to really help you get everything going the right way. And I would recommend on a step like this to use a design board so that you can lay it out on your cutting table and then take the design board and carry it to your sewing table so that everything stays in order. And here is how this unit looks, and you're going to make 1. So now we just get to put our block together. You're just going to pull your units, your outer, your inner, and your outer. And on this bottom one, we get to flip it. And you just put your block together And ta-da! It looks fabulous. And one thing I wanted to mention about this block is it's a traditional quilt block that previously used Y seams. And if anybody knows me, they know I don't like Y seams. So we simplified it for you. Again, it's the Holiday Manor pattern by It's So Emma. You can get it at Fat Quarter Shop or your favorite quilt shop. And I also wanted to give a big, huge shout out to Smitten Kitten because we love you. So I'll see all of you next time.